2024 shocked the world, but 2025? It's unpredictable, it's chaotic, and it's already leaving people behind. Right now, it's February 2025. In just the past few months, we've seen AI wars erupt. ChatGPT's biggest competitor, DeepSeek, entered the scene. Before we could even process that, Alibaba unveiled an even more advanced AI ecosystem. The financial world, shifting faster than ever. The job market, changing overnight. The global power struggle, exploding with new conflicts. And you, just a spectator, watching as the future gets decided without you. But that changes today, because by the end of this video, you'll be 6 months ahead. So let's move ahead before it's too late. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's already here. And if you're not using AI right now, you're already behind. Here's the reality. AI isn't replacing jobs. It's replacing people who don't know how to use it. The richest people in 2025 aren't working harder. They're working smarter with AI automating their daily tasks. AI-generated content, AI-driven businesses, and AI-enhanced productivity are the new gold mines. Here's how to stay ahead. Master AI tools. If you're not using AI for writing, coding, or automating your tasks, you're wasting hours every day. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Midjourney, and Runway AI can save you weeks of work. Start AI-based side hustles. AI can edit videos, generate content, create logos, build websites, and even trade stocks for you. The smartest entrepreneurs are already using AI-powered businesses to make passive income. Learn prompt engineering. The highest paid jobs in AI don't require coding. They require knowing how to ask AI the right questions. 9-to-5 jobs. Dead. The job market of 2025 isn't about how hard you work, it's about how fast you adapt. Here's what's happening right now. Remote work is evolving. The smartest companies are hiring globally. If you're limiting yourself to a local job, you're missing out. AI-assisted freelancing is booming. You don't need to be an expert to make money anymore. AI does 50% of the work if you know how to use it. The highest paid skills in 2025? Not traditional degrees. It's digital skills automation and AI integration, how to stay ahead in your career. Quit the one-job mindset. If you rely on a single paycheck, you're in danger. Create multiple income streams. Build an AI-powered portfolio. Show companies you can work faster, cheaper, and smarter than anyone else. Tap into global opportunities. Websites like Top to Fiverr, Upwork, and Deal let you earn international salaries while working from home. The people making the most money in 2025 aren't working harder. They're working the new way. Money is moving faster than ever. If you're not watching where it's going, you'll miss the biggest financial opportunities of the decade. What's changing in the next 6 months? Traditional investments are slowing down. The stock market is becoming unpredictable. The crypto boom is returning. But this time, it's different. Institutional money is entering, and new tokens with real utility are emerging. Digital real estate and Web3 assets are becoming the new high-value investments. Here's how to stay ahead. Start dollar cost averaging, DCA. Investments. Whether it's crypto, stocks, or ETFs, consistency beats timing. Learn digital finance. If you don't understand DeFi, smart contracts, and tokenization, you're missing the next financial revolution. Diversify smartly. Instead of just saving, put your money into cash flow assets like digital businesses, AI-driven investments, and scalable income streams. The next 6 months will define who gets ahead and who gets left behind. Most people, they'll just watch. A few, they'll take action. Here's your 6-month blueprint. Master AI and automation to work smarter, not harder. Create multiple income streams and build digital assets. Invest in the future, not the past. Now the choice is yours.